Right here, dude. I'm right here.
Okay. I'm gonna just go ahead and pull it out over there.
Okay.
We can start the drive from over there.
All right.
And then I'll need to scan your driver's license.
Of course,
I'll just do it on the drive. All right, man. Have you been looking into these for a while?
Yeah. Yeah, I love mine. Just like, hey, I know the future's electric, so.
Oh, yeah.
That's why I've been looking at them.
What are you currently driving?
The new one. As you remember, as you told me, like, hey, you got some new ones in. So.
Okay, so you're driving one of these?
Yeah, I'm driving the new one.
Oh, okay.
So, just wanted to see the differences just in the difference in performance. I know it's electric, so I know these get like, what, 250 miles of range or something?
Yeah. 250, 258, something around there.
Isn't there like a recall on these or something?
There's a recall on these?
I think so, just because of the battery and everything.
Oh, I did not even know that.
Yeah. Yeah, I know these things are pretty torquey. How have you been?
I've been good, man. What about you?
Just been working.
Working? That's good.
Yeah.
What do you do?
Still doing the same job, bro. The same job. Still working at Vaughn's.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Still doing the same thing. So.
Which Vaughn's?
One in Anahiem, Canyon, Anahiem,
Oh, okay.
So.
Well, yeah, I see here you're from Yorba Linda.
Yep. Yep.
Did you go to school over there? Or?
I went to in Fullerton.
Oh, okay. Because I live in Fullerton, but for a little bit I went to Yorba Linda High School.
Oh, that's cool. My sister went there. Yeah, I'm currently enjoying mine. Just on the these things are great. These things are great. Just want to see what the difference is, and you know,
and check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah. So are you leasing the Kona you have?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. What's the monthly on that?
I think we're doing like what, 300 or so, 250,
okay.
300. It's got the limited, so.
Oh, okay. It's a good trim level.
Oh yeah, I love it. Which way do you want me to go?
We can keep going straight. This guy just left his buddy.
Yeah. Just be careful out there. They can get pretty hard out there.
Oh, yeah.
I know for a fact that if you have the AC on, it'll affect your range.
Oh, okay. Yeah, that makes sense.
I know the Ioniq 5's going out pretty soon too.
Those look cool.
They do.
Those look very cool. You can charge other cars.
Oh yeah.
It's pretty sweet.
It's awesome, man.
And then so on this route, you can just go straight for as long as you'd like, and then as soon as you get the opportunity to make a U-turn,
yeah,
feel free to make a U-turn whenever you'd like, and then we can just turn around and do the same street back.
Yeah.
Lean the seat back a little bit.
The 22 should be going out pretty soon too.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to those. There's a Genesis.
Yeah, I do run a YouTube channel, so
Oh, okay.
that's why I kind of do this stuff.
Yeah,
Vlogs.
No problem. I might have to subscribe.
Yeah.
What's your page's name?
It's Colin, but I'm gonna make a new one just dedicated to cars.
Oh, okay.
So, I've been a car person my entire life. So.
Yeah, I love cars.
Who doesn't? Especially their car enthusiasts. I recently just saw a Fast 9.
How'd you like it?
It's good. The series just needs to end, honestly.
Man, they're milking every penny they can get out of this.
They are, man. It's a good movie. It really was. It's just.
I feel like they got carried away.
Mm-hmm.
It went from, you know, like old street racing to saving the world. It's like, oh, how did they escalate so quickly?
And like, hey, what happened to Paul Walker? It's just not the same,
exactly.
bro. It's just not the same.
I wish they would have just stopped after that last one that he was in.
Yeah. I know that feeling. It's not the same. That's definitely got quite some pickup.
Yeah.
Way more pickup than the turbo engine. Way more pickup.
Love it. It's like instant torque from those.
Oh, yeah.
The electric. You know?
Totally. Yeah, just I know the 22s that have more range or not are just the same. It's just really interesting how electrics cost more than gas in that, you know, MSRP. But then that's what you get because of the components.
It offers decent amount of rebates too.
Yeah. I mean, I guess in a way you are basically saving money.
Yeah, because you don't have to buy gas. You'll get some tax rebates.
Yeah.
It's a pretty good deal.
Yeah, gas prices have gone sky high though.
Oh yeah, that's why people are coming in for electrics and hybrids and all of that.
Yeah, I just refilled mine today.
You what?
I refilled my car today. It wasn't cheap.
Refueled?
Yeah.
Oh wait.
Yeah, refueled.
Do you drive like the gas engine Kona?
Yep.
Oh, I see.
Yeah. Yeah. It's a good engine.
Yeah.
Just something I don't like the turbo lag. So.
Yeah, and this has just instant torque.
Oh, totally, dude. It's electric. You got everything instantaneously. I can just make a U-turn here.
Okay, perfect.
Yeah, one thing I like about these is that you can actually adjust the regeneration.
The regenerative braking, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I like that.
It's cool.
Some other cars you can't do that, but these you can. And I'm like, yeah, that's helpful. There's not just like one setting, you can do it to different levels.
Yeah, this thing's pretty cool.
It is. It's definitely attack for what it is.
I wanna see that Ioniq 5 already.
Oh, totally, dude.
Can't wait for that.
Totally. Who wouldn't? It's just it's a beauty, man. It is an absolute beauty. I'll make a U-turn here.
plenty of power.
It does.
It's pretty fun to drive too.
It is. It is. Tesla just came out with their their P100D, the Plaid model. Insanely
Oh, the
quick.
Tesla?
Yeah. It's a 61.9. I'm like, that is mind blowing.
That doesn't. Oh my gosh, that sounds.
Yeah,
insane.
but literally that's only like if you subtract like 0.6 seconds. I mean, if you add 0.6 seconds, because I mean, like it's only like under certain conditions.
Yeah.
I mean, there's not really anywhere you can do 1.9 because I think they like a drag strip or something, but
yeah, you would have to be on a drag strip with perfect conditions.
It's more like what, 2 seconds, but still, that's still relatively
That is
quick.
incredibly quick.
It is. It is. Yeah, I just keep hearing fires, and I'm like, what's wrong with their quality control? You know?
You keep hearing what?
I keep hearing about the fires and everything, and I'm like, I think the batteries are quality control, one or two. It just keeps getting recalls and all the NTHA SA stuff, and I'm like, when is it gonna ever end with them? I wonder why there's lots of recalls with them. Elon just, I mean, he's good at just, I think it's their just transparency, and you know, they don't like to take the blame for stuff.
Yeah.
Exactly where to turn.
Sorry, what?
I know exactly where to turn.
Oh, okay.
In this place plenty of times.
We can just go straight.
Alright.
Yeah, we'll take it in on the other end. It gets a little hectic over here by the service side.
So where to, man?
You can just leave it right along here, and I'll go ahead and park it back for us.
Alright. Alright, thanks, dude.